Imagine a world where machines understand human emotions better than we do ourselves. Startling, isn't it? Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence. This isn't a dystopian novel or a sci-fi movie. We're talking about the here and now. The advancements in AI are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Machines are now capable of learning, interpreting, and reasoning much like humans. To put it in perspective, consider this. AI algorithms can now predict heart attacks more accurately than doctors. Yes, you heard that right. The power of machine learning and AI is transforming healthcare, and that's just one sector. Now, on to the experts. Renowned AI researcher Dr. Jane Smith believes that AI will redefine what it means to live in the 21st century. Meanwhile, Professor John Doe, a leading authority in machine learning, asserts AI is not merely a tool, it's a new kind of intelligence that we are only beginning to understand. But what does this mean for you? Well, AI is not just for tech gurus or science fiction enthusiasts. It's permeating every aspect of our lives. From the way we shop online, to how we diagnose diseases, to even how we grow our food. For those with a curious mind, the field of AI presents a world of opportunities. It's a new frontier teeming with possibilities. You don't need to be a computer scientist to dive into the world of AI. In fact, many of the breakthroughs in AI have come from people with diverse backgrounds, from philosophers to linguists, from artists to engineers. So, why not take the plunge? Explore the fascinating world of AI. Read a book, take an online course, or simply start with a Google search. The future belongs to those who are ready to embrace the AI revolution. Remember, AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human capabilities, about making our lives better. As AI pioneer Stuart Russell once said, "The real question is not whether machines think, but whether men do." This is your chance to think, to question, to explore. The world of AI awaits. Dive in.